Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put a picture in a text here in Canva. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Putting a picture or pictures inside a text here in Canva is a simple process that can be effective and a creative design choice. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or design that you're working. In my case, I'm going to be starting with this design that we're going to use after recording this video, uploading the thumbnail in our GPLAFs YouTube channel. I'm going to add another page and I'm going to add a text box, or maybe let's try to add a heading. Okay, so I'm gonna create something like this. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to go to the element section and click on shapes. All right, I'm gonna change the color of the font to white so it's a lot easier to be seen, right? And I'm going to drag this all the way here. Okay, now this is going to be the text, right? For you to be able to put a picture here, all you're going to do is go to the photo section here on the left side panel of your dashboard. If you can't find the photo by any chance, for example, it's missing, you only have the audio, videos, background, and all of these, and you can't find the photo option, just go to the apps section, search for photos, you see that, and click on it, and it will be visible to your left pane editor. Now, once you are here, I'm going to choose probably like an image, for example, this one. I'm going to drag this inside of it. All right, you see that? I'm going to make it like an effect. Maybe something like this. Choose a different color. Okay. Now, of course, from here, we can put in as much as pictures all we want here in a text right here. So these are some of your options. All right, so with that, probably this way right here. Okay, so this is our one of the easiest way to put a picture in a text here in Canva. Okay, so that's that. Okay, perfect. Now we can add in, for example, a frame like this if you wanted. If you can only drag this here. No, it's not an option. Now, another option that we can do is I'm going to click the element section. Now we're using the frame feature. In the frame feature, we're going down on the letters or characters that we can choose, right? For example, we're going to put in like this one, text. And then elements, click that. And I'm going to copy the letter T here. I'm going to group them together so it's a lot easier to maneuver. Now, for you to be able to put in a picture in this text, I'm going again to the photos on the left side. I'm going to drag as much as photos as I can. Right here. Or let me do that again, all right? This one is here. People are here, and of course the butterflies are here. Of course, I'm going to add maybe like a video at the background. For example, this one right here. I'm gonna click this on the all the way and make it like a background, send to back. I'm gonna hit on play to see, right? To if the elements have blended together, because the signs that incorporate pictures within text are more engaging and memorable. This technique works well for social media posts, advertisements, and banners that need to capture the audience attention very quickly. Right? And as you can see, they blend perfectly well. Once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is click on share. You might want to click on download as an MP4, or if you want to share this to your client, you might want to click on the copy link right here. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.